Good guys, being here. So today we're going to try this one. Okay, so I think these panels. So usually when I see these, I always try to use adaptive family or pattern-based family. But today we're going to try something different. We're going to just do this. So see. So basically, just one. So this is one panel. We can just quite easily create one panel. Okay, and then we can make it parametric. So we can change all the height, depth, thickness, and then we can change the pattern. So you can see all these curve. So we can. So if we change a different number, it will change it, right? So okay, so let's do it. So I will. Should be fine. It's quite easy. So I'll just close it. Okay, so let's start. So first, we're going to create a new generic model. Okay, so it's a generic model. So in this generic model, so let's go to left. Okay, so create a reference plane RP. So this will be the overall height. So maybe change the scale a little bit. 1 to 100 dimension. So let's just do this. I'll make it maybe 10 meter high. Okay. So maybe I'll unpin this, drag this up, pin it. So okay. So we can create a parameter for this one. Let's call it H. Okay. So next, so add another reference plane RP. On the right hand side, add another one on the top of this reference plane. So another dimension di, and another one. So this will be the thickness. So from here to here. So overall, okay. So overall thickness. So let's what do we call it? Maybe th. Yeah, th fine. Th is fine. Okay. Maybe I'll just make it maybe 900 for example. Okay, and then we need another reference plane on this side. So this will be the depths. So from here, let's call it D for depth. Okay, so maybe I'll make it 10 meter as well. Okay, so now we have all these reference planes. And then we can create the panel. So let's go create an extrusion, pick line, tick this box. So and then pick all these reference planes. For this one, it should be the same, either level or tab. Pick the reference plane. Trim TR. Okay, so now we have this panel. So let's just create a material. So I'll just call it MA maybe. Instance, because we're going to have materials for different panels. So let's make it instance parameter. And okay, so finish it. So now let's go to front. So instead of, so currently you can see that reference plane center left to right. Instead of offset from this reference plane, so I'll just draw a couple of reference plane here, di dimension, and then equal, and another dimension. So this will be the thickness of the panel. Oh, we already have a thickness, so maybe I'll just call it th2 maybe. Type. Okay, and then maybe I'll just make it 100. And then select this extrusion. So we just need to drag this onto this reference plane, lock, drag this onto this reference plane, lock. So let's have a look in 3D view. Okay, so this is it without the curve. Okay, so now how can we make parametric curve shape like this? So yeah, I'll show you a little trick here. So instead of trying to build that into this sketch, into this extrusion, so we can create a face-based family generic model. In this one, we're going to add some reference plane first. Okay, so add a reference plane, RP, dimension equal, and dimension. So this need to be quite big, so maybe double the size of those panels. Maybe yeah, we need to make this. Oops, won't let me change the dimension. So maybe also, yeah, all good. I'll type in 10 meter. So 10 meter on one side, so 20 meter total. And then let's change the scale. So yeah, that's better. And then oh, actually, yeah, we don't need to be it doesn't need to be parametric. So I'll just leave it. I'll leave these dimensions there, and I'll just unpin this reference plane. I'll just drag these there. Okay, so now we needed to create a let me think. Create an extrusion. So void, and so let me think. I'll just start from here, roughly maybe a meter. Go down here, go up here, and then we need to create those arc. Okay, so let me think. I'll start from here, and then maybe in the middle, I'll draw another line here, and maybe go up down here. So I know in the midpoint here, I draw another line, and then I'll delete this, and then draw another line here, and then draw another line here, and delete this. So okay, so now let's do it. So go from this, you use a start and array. Was that a start and radius arc from this point? Because we have this straight line, so you will see why we have this line. So it will, you can pick this, you can create this, so arc that tangent with this line. Okay, so now we have this one. We can DM mirror and MM mirror again. So now you can see this is perfect, tangent. Two arc that tangent. You don't need to lock this down really affect anything. Okay, so now we have these two, and then we can select them and then DM and pick this point, go up. Okay, so perfect, right? And then again, we don't need this one. I'm gonna select this, DM, oops, DM, and again, so that's it. So now we can finish this void. Okay, and I think we might need to drag this base, so we can cut base with this void. Oh, it's not working. Let's have a look at what's going on here. Okay, need to go down, right? So instead of go up, I'll type negative. I think 100 is enough because our panel is 100. So unless you're going to create thicker, maybe I'll just make it 200. Okay, in case we need to increase the thickness of those panels. Okay, so now we have this one. Let's double check. Go back to floor plan to reference plan. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. So let's load this one into the panel first. Go to left. I'll create component. I'll just try to place it on, use place on face. Okay, so place it here. Oh, doesn't work. Okay, that's fine. I'll try again. Component space. Okay, still doesn't work. Okay, so that's fine. Let's go back and I'll just have a test. Let me just test something because previously I had the same issue. So this time I'm going to make this one 200 and I'll just make this one 200 as well, because previously when we create this one it's 200, it's positive. So instead of change this void from positive to negative, I change the base instead. So let's try again. So load this one, overwrite, create component, place. Oh, you see, it works. So now let's select this one. I'll just press space to rotate it by 90 degree. Maybe need to rotate again. Yeah, so this is what we want to do. So we want to cut the top and also cut this bit. So for this one, I'll see if I can align AL. Okay, so you can see this blue line. So this is a reference plane in the void family. So what we want to do is we want this blue reference plane on this, instead of, you can see this shape on this side, we want it to be on this side, so we can lock this reference plane onto this edge. Okay, so now let's go edit family. So for this one, because this shape is not locked onto anything, so we can just simply MV move. Oh, hell, it's not picking MV. So I'll see if I can snap endpoint. It doesn't work. That's fine. Maybe we can just edit extrusion and move this sketch instead. MV and move onto the reference plane. Okay, so now finish. Load this one into this family, overwrite. Now this time if I do AL, so you'll see this reference planes are now sitting on this here, on this edge. So now we can pick this reference plane first. Oh hell, not this one. Pick this one. AL, pick this reference plane first, and then pick this reference plane in the void family. Okay, so now we can lock it. So we're going to do the same. Select this family CS, create similar. I'll just place it here, and then we can just use AL, pick this reference plane, and then pick this reference plane in the void family and then lock. So now we can do what we need to do is we need to create a parameter to, you can see, to move this void family. Okay, so AL, DI dimension. Pick this reference line. So make sure you pick tab. Pick this reference plane, not the reference plane in the void family. Okay, so and then try to pick the reference plane on this edge, on this side of this void family. So which is here. Okay, so see, yeah, so this is a void dimension, and then another one will be tab, pick, and where is it? Here. So now we can select these two dimensions and create a let's call it offset. Okay, so the offset of the void. So, and because they can be different to each panel, so we just use instance parameter. Okay, so now let's have a test. So this is in 3D view, so this is what it looks like. And if we go to family types, so see this offset, if I change to maybe 3 meter, it will change the size or shape. 4 meter, right? 5 meter. Okay, so what's next? We have material, we have yeah, I think that's all. So now let's have a test. So I'm going to create a new project, and in this project I'll create some wall. Let's go to 3D view. I'll just make it 10 meter. maybe add a floor or roof on top of it. Okay, 10-meter offset, finish. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm going to load that family, this one, into this project. Okay, so I'm just going to place it here. So let's go to 3D view. Okay, great. Why we can see those? That's fine. We will try to hide them because it can be quite messy when we have multiple, family in here. So let's have a test first. So if we change this 9-meter, yeah, great. If I change this, oh, that's 2-meter, 0, 12-meter, yeah. So it will change the height. So I'll change it back to 10. Thickness, maybe 1200. Yeah, great. So this is the thickness of the panel. So all good. Now let's AL. I'll just align this to here. Yeah, all good. And then I'll just go to ground floor. Maybe I'll just move this to this edge and use AR array. Maybe something like this, and type in a number, maybe 20. Oh, something's not right. 20, not 2. Yeah, 25, 24, 23. Oh, good. I'll just align the wall. Oh, wrong one. Align the wall. Okay. Let's go to 3D view, and this is the panel. So now we can select all SA on group, and then, so first we can give them some material. So SA, I'll select all, and let me just create a material. Okay, and I'll change to shade SD, so that's the new material, gray color. And then I'll just add duplicate, create a new material. So this time maybe I'll just make it lighter. So because it's an instance parameter, so we can just use MA, pick this. So we can just give material to some of the panels. Okay. So then select the panel. So you can see this offset. If I maybe make it 4.5, so you will see it change. It start to change. It's a little bit hard to pick those family. So I'll see. Let's see if we can hide this. So go to here. So maybe we can try this. Let's try this visible. Okay. So load this one. Back to project. That's better. Great. Okay, so maybe I'll do this. Yeah, so maybe I'll start from 0. How about start from 0? And then we can just start to add 500 a meter, 1.5, 2. So yeah, this will take some time. If you're going to do it manually, but you can also use some tool to help you. So like Dynamo. So you can create a script to automatically, depending on the location of this panel, just increase the number, right? You can, or you can just do randomize as well. So yeah, so this is it. And also, if you think they are too fat, you can make them reduce this. Yeah, so you can reduce. Oh, hang on. Yeah, you can reduce this. There's a little, okay, it's not touching the wall, sorry. That's fine. We can select all, maybe move them out like by maybe 1800, then something like that, right? What else? Yeah, I think that's it. And yeah, if you want to, I believe you can also create a parameter in this void to control the radius of this. Okay, but yeah, you can have a try. I don't think it's hard. I think that's all. What else? Yeah, you can play with some solo study. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah, I will upload this family for you so you can have a play. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Hang on. I think I just remember what I want to do next. So other than these panels, because they are quite hard to adjust. So because you can see each one, I need to go in here and type in a number. Even if I go to any of this elevation, there's no handles for me to adjust. So what we can do is we can go to here. So this is a left elevation of this family. So we can create a reference line. Okay, so place it roughly on top of here, and do a dimension di from this reference plane, and give it the same offset parameter. So now if I load this one into the project and overwrite, and let's go to 3D view, you will see now we have a handle here. So see, and use this handle, we can change the shape of this panel. So let me just copy one out. Okay, so this is one of the panel, and then we can, so you can see when I drag this handle, it will change this. So you can quite oh yeah, not too much, be careful, slowly. Yeah, so you can have a better idea of, you don't need to type in a number and guess what the shape might look like. So you just drag this one, you can see what it looks like, right? And that's all. And you can go there and change shape, pick another one, change shape, pick this one, change shape, do it. I think it's easier to do it this way, unless you want very nice matching shape pattern, maybe. Anyway, that's all. Thanks. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.